ní kí n má jáde bọ̀ wọ́n lé mi. Èmi ò mọ owó, I no do pass myself. Wọ́n ní kí n má sáré bọ̀ wọ́n lé mi. So I cannot see my brother.
Hello, Chief. Yes, I've told you before, I'm not taking anything less than 1 million naira.
Ah!
Yes, now the initial price is 2 million. Yeah, but I'm going to take 1 million naira from you. Alright, no problem.
Èmi ò mọ owó,
I'm
I no
coming
do
over
pass
now.
myself.
Alright.
Wọ́n ní kí n má sáré bọ̀ wọ́n lé mi. So I cannot see my brother Ojo.
Jesus.
Auntie, well done. I think this your work. What's up with that, I beg?
No more hook up now.
Oh my God!
Hook up?
Then how much they make from this hookup?
It is small kibo.
Well, it depends on the amount of men that carried me.
Oh my
God! Let me just say like 3 to 4 million naira in a day.
Jesus.
Hey!
Jesus.
3 to 4 million.
Jesus.
So how they play? They play.
I beg, where be the location?
Where be the location?
God have mercy upon us.
GRA and also
How you been now?
Move back and relax. Me, I like fine girls. The ones where they wear short skirts. Oh, me, I like fine girls too. Fine girls like Ella